The company has been testing autonomous vehicles in several cities in the United States and Japan and has plans to launch a self-driving car service in Japan in 2020. 10. Daimler, the parent company of Mercedes-Benz, has been investing heavily in self-driving car technology. The company's autonomous driving technology, called Drive Pilot, is currently available in some Mercedes-Benz cars. In addition to developing its own technology, Daimler has partnered with ride-hailing service Lyft to develop autonomous vehicles for its ride-sharing service. The company has also invested in Savera. Other companies working in this field, including Israeli startup Anagogue and Chinese ride-hailing service Cao. The future of transportation is an exciting prospect, but many challenges still need to be addressed. One of the biggest concerns is safety, as the technology powering self-driving cars is not perfect. It needs to be continuously improved to ensure that accidents do not occur. Another challenge is the cost of these vehicles, which may be too expensive for the average consumer. In addition, there may also be regulatory challenges, as governments will need to establish standards and regulations around autonomous vehicles to ensure that they are safe for everyone on the road. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of self-driving cars are massive. These vehicles have the potential to significantly reduce the number of accidents on the roads, as well as reduce traffic congestion and emissions. They may also provide greater mobility to those who are physically unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled. As self-driving car technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see many more companies investing in this field. The competition will only continue to grow, with each company striving to create the best and most innovative self-driving technology on the market. Ultimately, self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and travel. They may even pave the way for new and innovative business models, such as autonomous delivery services or mobile workspaces. As we continue to explore this exciting new technology, it is important to remember that the safety of all individuals on the road must always come first. Furthermore, self-driving car technology also poses some societal and ethical questions. For example, if a self-driving car is forced to choose between two options that both result in harm, how does the vehicle decide what to do? These ethical dilemmas require thoughtful consideration and regulation to ensure safe and fair use of autonomous vehicles. Another important question that arises is whether self-driving cars will lead to unemployment among professional drivers. This is a valid concern since autonomous vehicles will replace human control at once. Thus, it is essential to have a transition plan in place to deal with the potential effects. Moreover, the development of self-driving cars will require a significant change in infrastructure, including roadway design, traffic management systems, and communication networks. A unified approach is required between regulators and car manufacturers to put the necessary infrastructure in place to enable safe operation of autonomous vehicles. The technology behind self-driving cars is still in the developmental stages, and it will be some years before it is mature enough to allow widespread adoption. However, as we can observe from the companies that are investing in self-driving car technology, the future of autonomous technologies is an exciting one. As we look to the future, it is important to keep in mind the potential impact that self-driving cars will have on our environment. With the ability to reduce traffic congestion and emissions, these vehicles could have a significant positive impact on the environment, especially in densely populated cities. However, it is also essential to consider how the increased use of autonomous vehicles could lead to a rise in energy consumption. Another concern is the potential impact on jobs in the transportation industry. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, many jobs that rely on human-driven vehicles, such as taxi and truck driver, could become obsolete. It is crucial to start planning for these changes and find ways to support workers as these jobs are phased out.